girls with their nails done now.
I am reminded of an incident which is related to taking some decisions and your ability to then stick to those. After having qualified for the National Defence Academy UPSC examination, we went to the Services Selection Board and my turn came to visit Allahabad. After a 4 to 5 day grueling training schedule and testing schedule that we were put through, the time finally came for the President's interview. We were all lined up and one by one we entered the room of the President, where the fate of all of us was to be decided on whether we were selected to join the National Defence Academy or not. My turn came and I entered the office. There was a brigadier rank officer who sat there to interview me. As a young student like most of you, I was overawed being in that hallowed precincts of his office. After having asked some mundane questions and put me at ease, he asked me about my hobbies. And amongst all, I told him that trekking was something that I was fond of. He then threw a question at me which appeared very simple. He said, if you were to go on a trek which was to last for 4 or 5 days, what is the most important thing that you would like to carry with you? And I mentioned that it was a matchbox. And then, of course, the discussion evolved around the matchbox, and he asked me why I had particularly selected this item as the most important item to be carried on treks of this nature. And I told him that if I had a matchbox, there is a lot of activities and events that I could do with that. And I also told him when the mankind turned from the primate years and moved on further, the discovery of fire was the best thing that the mankind thought they had accomplished and achieved. And I therefore felt that a matchbox was the most important part of my trekking gear. He tried to convince me to change my decision and told me, why not a knife? Why not a rucksack? Why not a book which you could read at leisure? Well, I listened to everything that he had to say, but finally stuck to my decision that the decision that I had taken of matchbox being the most important item to be carried on a trek like this was the right thing that I had selected. And maybe whatever went through his mind, I was finally selected to join the National Defence Academy. At hindsight, I felt that the decision that I had made and the fact that I stuck to my decision was possibly one of the reasons that led to my selection. So what I wish to highlight is that you will be faced with decision dilemmas day in and day out. But having once made a decision, you must strongly support your decision and go on ahead with that, because only then would you have set out on a mission to succeed. This is one issue.